How y'all doing? We got another day of work with Rice's Auto Repair. This is William. What we have here is a 2007 Mitsubishi Endeavor. What we're going to be doing is front brakes. The customer wants their front brakes done, so we're going to be knocking that out today. Just bear with us and subscribe and hit that like button. And let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty. What we're going to do first today is we're going to safety first. We're going to put the wheel chock in the back of the rear tires. We're going to come in the front and we're going to jack it up. Let's go ahead and knee pads so you won't damage your knees. Very important to have some knee pads when you're working on your knees, because over time your knees can cause problems from being on the concrete. So it's a safety first. Better be safe than sorry. All right, we're gonna go ahead and jack it up. Got an aluminum jack I got from Harbor Freight. Costs about 150, but it's really light, and it lifts up 2.5 tons. It's perfect for mobile service. Let's see here, and we want to get it on a subframe. But right here's where we want to get it. All right, and let's jack it up. And I always want to put some jack stands so the car will be extra supported. Put those right there, and one on the other side. Put them right here on the frame of the car. It's a good spot right there. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and take this tire off. Got the caliper. What we want to do is want to take that 14 millimeter and put it on, and take this bolt off right here. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Have it. And usually what I do is the quick way of doing this is pushing the pistons in the caliper. I use a screwdriver flathead. I put it on there and I push it back. And I'm going to show you the correct way also, but this is the way I do it. And it's a little cheating way, but it gets the job done a lot quicker. All right, and what we're gonna do is we flip the caliper up and pull that out. Just pull it out, really just slide that right out. And usually what you do is you take the old brake pad and you put it on over the pistons like that, over the pistons, and you take a C-clamp. You put that C-clamp on here, and you crank those pistons down and push those pistons back in. I already got them pushed in with my flathead, but that's how you do it. Just push those back all the way in. It's very simple. And you just put your new pads on. This job right here only takes like 15 minutes. 20 minutes both sides all together. 10 minutes each side. 5-10 minutes each side. It depends on, I got power tools, so it's a lot even faster. This job is very simple. I hear some people say it takes them like 2-3 hours to do brake pads. But this is a very simple job to do it yourself. These slides here, make sure that they're greased up already. back on there, just slide it back down. Put your bolt in. Put your bolt back in. Like we say, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Remember that. Tighten that up. Push this back. Voila. Same thing on the other side. Very simple. You can also just take, when you push that piston back in on the caliper, use your screwdriver. It's a lot easier and a lot quicker. But if not, use your C-clamp. Or if you have a caliper tool, use it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer you as quickly as I can. Always when you're putting these nuts back on the lug nuts back on the tire, make sure you go in the start sequence, just like that. Never just go around a circle like that. Always go in the start sequence, just like this, so the tire can be flushed and you won't have any problems. All right, and there's the job done. Very simple job. It only takes 15-20 minutes, you know, with power tools. You know, maybe take an extra 10 minutes if you don't have power tools, but very simple job, you know. Do the same side on each side. You know, if you have any questions, leave a comment, you know, and I'll do my best to get back to you and answer your questions as soon as possible. And just let your jack down and your jack stands, and when you're done, you pump your brakes up. Make sure you pump your brakes up till the pedal gets really tight, maybe 5 pumps. Take it for a spin, make sure you don't have any noise, and job well done. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you.